weBoost Drive Reach. Crush dead zones and rock 5G on every road trip. No more dropped calls. Ever feel like your car is a dead zone on wheels? Imagine being stuck on a road trip where every call drops, every text lags, and your data drips like a leaky faucet. Frustration mounts as you battle unreliable cell signals, lost directions, missed important calls, and endless buffering on your favorite road trip playlist. You're tired of fumbling with outdated boosters that barely keep a whisper of connectivity. It's maddening to know that while your phone is your lifeline, the tools you rely on only add to the stress. When your vehicle becomes a haven for dead zones, every moment on the road turns into wasted time and mounting irritation. Now, just picture that pain amplified. Every missed call is a missed opportunity, every dropped message a reminder of inefficient tech holding you back. Crushing deadlines at work, unmanageable stress while navigating unfamiliar highways, and creeping burnout from trying to stay connected in the middle of nowhere become all too real. As your navigation system glitches and your hotspot sputters out mid-crisis, you feel completely isolated and desperate for a reliable solution. The pressure mounts as your personal and professional life suffers from constant interruptions. When every second of connectivity counts, being offline feels like a total betrayal of your expectations. Enter the game changer, weBoost Drive Reach. This powerhouse is the breakthrough solution for anyone tired of patchy cell coverage on the go. Designed with the latest 5G and 4G LTE technology, the weBoost Drive Reach magnetically mounts to your car's roof to capture the strongest signal possible. FCC approved and crafted right here in the USA, it delivers up to 50 decibels of max gain across all major carriers, including Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile, and more. Imagine instant relief as your calls, texts, and data receive a radical boost, transforming your vehicle into a mobile connectivity hub. No more fighting with unreliable gear, the Drive Reach makes staying connected effortless and robust. This isn't just about signal strength, it's a total connectivity revolution. With tool-free installation, you can set up the Drive Reach in under 30 minutes using intuitive how-to videos via the weBoost app. It effortlessly boosts multiple devices in your car, truck, or SUV, ensuring a smooth, dependable experience even in remote areas. Whether you're streaming, hotspotting, or navigating the backroads, its magnetic roof antenna and advanced design give you the reassurance of continuous coverage. Plus, with expert US-based customer support and a 2-year warranty backing every unit, you're investing in reliability that transforms each journey into a seamless, worry-free adventure. There's no hassle, no subscription fees, just raw connectivity power that keeps you ahead of the curve. Don't wait, your ultimate road trip companion is here. Join thousands of satisfied drivers who've already upgraded to the weBoost Drive Reach and left dead zones in the dust. With limited stock available, now is the time to seize this chance for unwavering connectivity on the go. Act now to enjoy every call, text, and data transfer at peak performance, whether you're zooming on the highway or navigating off the beaten path trails. Click that link, secure your Drive Reach, and power up your ride with the strongest signal boost allowed by the FCC. Your journey deserves to be uninterrupted, make the move, and never miss a beat. Stay connected, stay unstoppable.